Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial from Boston J Developers. And in today's video we'll continue learning about Leaflet.js, and in today's video precisely we'll learn how to add circle and add a tooltip or pop-up to the circle. So in the previous video we added marker. How about we delete everything now and create a variable for the circle? So it will be circle, and circle will be L dot circle, and inside here we need two parameters. The first one is the coordinates, and because I'm lazy, as always, I will just copy these coordinates here. So just copy and paste. And the second parameter is the radius, and the radius is in meters. Let me show you. I will add here 15, so don't forget the semicolon. And don't forget to add the circle to the map. So add to map and the semicolon again, then reload, and here's our circle. Now we zoom and keep zooming, you can see now it's changing in size because this is an area in meters. We can change that to be maybe 1500. Why not? Now let's rerun. And now you can see it's much bigger area. So it's useful. Now how about we change the properties of this circle? To do that, instead of this number here, add curly braces. So not these ones, and here we just type radius for the radius, and the radius is 1500, and then color can be red. Let's see about that. Save, reload, and here it is. Where is it? There, this is it. Can see now it's red. We can also change the fill color, so fill color, and the fill color can be green. Save it, reload, and you can now see it's green instead of red. Of course we can change many properties, but basically this is what mostly you will need. Now let's add a pop-up or tooltip, and here we will say circle dot bind pop-up, and the text will be awesome or anything you want. Let's save it. Now reload and zoom in and click. Here's awesome, and you will notice the pop-up will appear wherever you click. And remember that this accepts HTML, so I can make this h1, and this is end of h1. Let's save it, reload, zoom, click. Awesome. Okay, what if you want to have more customization over this? You can go click Ctrl Shift I, then choose this little arrow here, hover over the awesome board, and you will see now it's wrapped inside class called Leaflet pop-up content. You can use that to customize it furthermore. For example, let me show you very quickly here. We have the style, and this is class, so let's add something like maybe color green, not green. Save it, come back here, reload, and it did not change color. Let me very quickly, if you forget, it's okay. You can always do this and search for whatever you want. And from here, wait for it to load. Wait, oh yes, I should not use this. This is my mistake. Simple. Save, come back here, reload, and here it is, green. Awesome. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.